Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the two-step verification in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the second option there. And now you should scroll down a little bit. And there you will find your account category, and right next to it you should click on the see all option. After doing so, you should wait a little bit and scroll down. You will see here under the account settings category the login and security option. Press on it, and here you should scroll down a little bit once again, and you will see here the two-step verification, and right next to it the turn on. Just press on that, and they will send you a security code to your email or Gmail address depending what you have, and you have to enter that code there. And after that you just have to press submit code down below, and the two-step verification will be activated. Now you can see here that you have a timer in order to do that, so you have like 1 minute to complete this task. And if you're done with it, just like I said, your two-step verification will be turned on. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.